Hey, hey, hey! I'm a little bit late getting to the hype party. It's Wednesday night. Just got into Grass Valley a little bit closer, but just want to make up for my lack of being in the hypeness. So, groomsmen and groomsgirl, we're about to celebrate the shit out of that cool cat. Yeah, cool kid. Nice sunglasses. T minus 3 days. And I know it's going to be one of the greatest days of my life, which does also include Big Sister's wedding and my birth. But I'm honored. And Kev, you couldn't have picked a better group of dudes and dudette to represent you up there. Love you a lot. Got a shot here. It's like a triple. Get the party started. Of straight Bacardi or something. But cheers to Kev, to all you guys, to the groom's girl. It's gonna be great. We're gonna do it right. So, it's Kev's wedding. Woo. I'm blacked out.